Hi! Thanks to the two commands that I will show you in this lesson, you will be able to see all the block numbers and names in a project that we are working on, both on the command line and in the table. If you are ready, let's start. When we want to know how many single seats there are in this project under normal conditions, many of us either count individual blocks or selects the block, right-clicks, clicks Select Similar. Immediately after, PR, Properties, Enter. From the Properties panel, Block Reference, Number in Section. In the Name section, it learns the name of this block. But we want to see all blocks in this project with simpler methods. First method, valid for Autocad 2021 and earlier. BCount command, Enter. Then it asks us to select the area where we want to see the block numbers. We select all objects, Enter. You can expand the command line from here or by pressing F2. All block names and numbers in the area we have chosen are given here. At the same time, the BCount command is valid for versions after the 2021 version. Second method, valid for Autocad 2022 and later. Count command, Enter. It asks us to specify the area where we want to do the block count. We choose the area. Enter. In the Count panel that opens, all blocks in the area we have determined are shown. When we want to tabulate everything written here, create table. You can choose only certain ones or all of them. Right after that, we click on Insert and the table is created. We position the table anywhere. To enlarge the table, SC, Scale, Enter. We select the corner point and enter any value. All block names and numbers are shown in the table. Like and follow for more content like this.